Hello, and thanks for stopping by my page. I'm more of an audio guy than video, so for now you won't see me on camera. Instead, I'll get right into the subject matter of whatever video I'm working on and skip the intros. This channel started in June with one video I made to share my Starlink experience with my neighbors who faced the same challenge as me when trying to get internet service. Although most of the videos are about Starlink, I'll be dabbling with a few other technologies in the future, and also sharing some thoughts about my journey on the YouTuber path. It's been very interesting and a lot more work than people would believe. Of the 12,000 views received since June, 99.7% are male, which is surprising, and about 43% of you fall into the demographics classification of, shall we say, experienced tech guys like myself who know what the letters IBM mean. Anyway, I appreciate your support, and let me know in the comments if there are particular things in tech or about YouTube you'd like to see on the channel. Oh, and before I go, here's a quick glimpse at what I'm working on next for the channel. Subscribe and you'll be automatically notified when it gets posted. A quick shout out to the following for their encouragement: Nick, Robin, the instructor, Robin B, Ronan, Kristen, Marcus, Eric, Christopher, Keen, Dan, Ryan, Ketten, Namzi, Christy, Abhijith, Owen, and Sylvia. Thanks very much. Appreciate it. See you next time.